All right, so let's do question 4. Question 4 is one of those two-parters where you got to know one to know the other, right? So, what is the radius of an automobile tire that turns with a frequency of 11 hertz? So that's our frequency. They give us that. And has a linear speed of this. Okay. And we want to know the radius. Right? So, let's write our formula because we know linear speed velocity formula is V equals 2 pi r over period. Okay? So, what do we got? Well, we have the linear speed of 20 equals 2 pi r over, we don't have t. Okay, we don't have t. We don't have t because we have our frequency, right? Because frequency is in hertz. So we got to use that to find our period, okay? So we know that our period equals 1 over frequency. So our period equals 1 over 11. So let's calculate that real quick. So 1 divided by 11 equals 0.09. So period equals 0.09. Okay? So we have this. This is what we need to finish this, okay? So now we can put this in because now we have our period. So our period here is 0.09. And we need our radius, right? So what we got to do, first we got to get rid of this 0.09. So we got to multiply this whole thing on the right by 0.09. Left, 0.09, which I'm going to move it to right here. We're moving all over the place with this. So now we got about 1.81 equals 2 times pi times the radius. Okay? Now, we just got to divide everything over. So you got 1.81 divided by 2. Cancel that out, divided by 2. So that should give you, 1.81 divided by 2 should give you about 0.91. 0.91 equals pi times the radius. Now we got to divide pi out. Divided by pi. So divided by, I'm just going to do 3.14. Let's keep it simple. So our radius, I'm going to flip it here, is going to be about 0.29 meters. Okay? So 0.29 meters. So we're done. So remember, we had to find the period first based on they give us frequency, right? So we found our period, and then we put our period into our velocity formula, and then it was just another problem, same as 3. All right, guys, great job.